All right, let's get into your action plan. It's time to stop losing money silently. You can start using these 3 simple steps literally today. Step 1, stop hoarding excess cash in your regular bank account. Just leave your emergency fund there and put the rest of it to work. Step 2, start a monthly SIP, a systematic investment plan in diversified equity mutual funds. And honestly, the best part? You don't need to be rich to start. Even $500 a month is a fantastic way to begin utilizing that inflation crusher we just talked about. Step 3, balance your money safely. You don't have to put absolutely everything in the stock market. Mix the absolute safety of FDs for your short-term needs with the growth power of mutual funds for your long-term goals. That balance, it gives you complete peace of mind. You see, building wealth isn't about getting lucky. It's about being informed and taking steady action. Share with your friends or family members who might still be stuck in that dangerous savings account trap. And definitely make sure to subscribe for more clear, strategic guides that put the power back in your hands.